Hello devotees, welcome to Tirumala Tirupati Info by KHM channel. Tirumala, the sacred abode of Lord Venkateswara, welcomes millions of devotees each year. Among the many ways to reach this divine hill, the footpaths are especially revered by pilgrims seeking a spiritually enriching journey. In Tirupati, there are two primary pedestrian routes to Tirumala, the Alipri Footpath and the Srivari Mettu Footpath. In this video, we will focus exclusively on the Srivari Mettu Footpath and the Divya Darshan tokens issued there. By the end of this video, you will have a comprehensive understanding of the Srivari Mettu Footpath and will be fully equipped to make this journey without the need for any assistance. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, family and colleagues and subscribe to the Tirumala Tirupati Info by KHM channel. There are two primary footpaths to reach Tirumala from Tirupati, the Alipri Footpath and the Srivari Mettu Footpath. This video provides a detailed overview of the Srivari Mettu Footpath and the Divya Darshan tokens issued there. The Srivari Mettu route is shorter and more direct, making it the preferred choice for pilgrims seeking a quicker climb. Although steeper than the Alipri route, it is widely favored for its time efficiency. Historically, Srivari Mettu is an older route than Alipri. The Alipri footpath is approximately 9 km long, has 3,550 steps and typically takes 4 to 6 hours to complete. In contrast, Srivari Mettu spans 2.1 km with 2,388 steps and can be completed in about 1.5 to 3 hours depending on individual fitness and pace. The Srivari Mettu footpath is located approximately 22 km from both the Tirupati railway station and the Tirupati bus stand. It is situated about 7 km from the Srinivasa Mangabram Kalyana Venkateswara Swami temple. There is no direct bus service to the Srivari Mettu footpath from Renugunta railway station or the Tiruchanur Padmavati Ammavari temple. Buses to the Srivari Mettu footpath are available only from the Tirupati bus stand and the Tirupati railway station. In addition to buses, autos, shared autos and cab services are also available from Tirupati to reach the Srivari Mettu footpath. Buses to the Srivari Mettu footpath depart from platform number 4 at the Tirupati RTC bus stand. The first bus departs at around 4:30 am from platform number 4. Current bus timings are being displayed in the video. A bus to Srivari Mettu departs every 30 minutes from Tirupati bus stand. TTD also operates a free bus service from platform number 4 to Srivari Mettu with one free bus available every hour. All buses from the Tirupati bus stand to Srivari Mettu also stop at the Tirupati railway station. Therefore, pilgrims may board the bus at either locations. Whether boarding the bus at the bus stand or railway station, the fare to Srivari Mettu is 40 rupees per person. If using a shared auto from either the bus stand or railway station, the fare ranges from 80 rupees to 110 rupees per person. Hiring a private auto from the same locations costs between 600 rupees to 800 rupees, though the fare can be negotiated. If you plan to visit the Srinivasa Mangabram Kalyana Venkateswara Swami temple, note that it is located 7 km before the Srivari Mettu footpath. This temple holds great significance as it is believed that Lord Venkateswara and Goddess Padmavati resided here for 6 months after their wedding before proceeding to Tirumala. A bus ride to this temple from either the bus stand or railway station cost 30 rupees per person. After darshan, you may continue to Srivari Mettu via bus, auto or shared auto. A bus stop is located near the temple entrance and the bus fare to Srivari Mettu is Rs 20 per person from here. For those travelling in their own vehicles, open car parking is available before the start of the Srivari Mettu footpath. After trekking to Tirumala and after completing your darshan, you must return to Tirupati and then travel back to Srivari Mettu to retrieve your vehicle. To avoid this inconvenience, it is advisable to park your vehicles in Tirupati and travel to Srivari Mettu by auto or bus. Open car parking is available near the Alipri Balaji Link bus stand next to Bhudevi complex and at the TTD's Srinivasam rest house near the RTC bus stand. Parking at Alipri Balaji Link bus stand is free, while a fee of approximately 80 rupees per 24 hours is charged at the Srinivasam complex. Both locations offer secure parking despite being open-air facilities. Some of our followers have asked about private lodging facilities near Srivari Mettu. As I do not have accurate information on this, I recommend checking on Google for the latest details. Kalyanakatta hair offering facility is available opposite the Srinivasa Mangabram temple but not near Srivari Mettu. The road to Srivari Mettu begins at a large arch opposite to the temple with the Kalyanakatta building located to the left of the arch. Additional Kalyanakattas are available on Tirumala hills. The Srivari Mettu Footpath is open from 6 am to 5:30 pm. Children under 12 years are permitted to start trekking from 6 am but not beyond 2 pm. Autos, two-wheelers and cars start gathering from 3:30 to 4 am near the arch opposite the Srinivasa Mangabram temple. Since Srivari Mettu lies in a dense foresty area, the checkpost opens only around 5:45 am. Several small eateries operate in this vicinity, making it a convenient spot for breakfast or lunch. As there are no food outlets near the start of the Srivari Mettu, it is recommended to complete your food and buy snacks here, especially if children are accompanying you. At the base of the Srivari Mettu footpath, only a few small shops are available selling snacks, beverages, camphor, turmeric and vermilion used by devotees on the steps. Along the route, a few vendors offer cut fruits, buttermilk or lemon juice. Drinking water and separate restrooms for men and women are available throughout the trekking route. Wearing slippers or shoes is not permitted while trekking on the Srivari Mettu steps. However, socks are allowed if needed. A luggage deposit counter is available at the base of the footpath. Only closed bags like zipped bags or locked suitcases are accepted. Bags are tagged with GPS and a deposit slip is issued. Once your bag reaches Tirumala, you will receive an SMS notification with the counter number for collection. Depositing baggage is not mandatory. If you have small bags, you may carry them during the trek. You may place your footwear in a small bag and include it with your luggage before deposit. Mobiles, cameras and laptops are allowed along the trekking route. It is advisable to carry laptops with you instead of depositing them. Adjacent to the luggage deposit counter is the Sri Krishna Devaraya Southern building where you can refresh before beginning your trek. Free first aid services are also available here. Free Divya Darshan tokens are issued at the base of the Srivari Mettu Footpath by TTD exclusively for those trekking via this route. These tokens must be scanned at the 1250th step. Failure to scan will invalidate the token, making you ineligible for darshan. A valid Aadhaar card, original or a clear photocopy is required to obtain the Divya Darshan token. Children under 12 years do not need tokens, though age verification via Aadhaar or school ID proof may be required during reporting. Each individual must stand in line separately with their Aadhaar card. Tokens cannot be collected on behalf of others. During token issuance, your Aadhaar number and mobile number are recorded, a photo is taken in a webcam and the Aadhaar card is returned immediately. A printed Divya Darshan token slip will be issued. The printed token includes your Aadhaar number, mobile number, photo, darshan date and time. Tokens are non-transferable. You may report for darshan up to 2 hours before the time mentioned on your token. Divya Darshan and SSD tokens are both recognized by TTD as same free darshan tokens. Pilgrims are not permitted to receive both the tokens on the same day or on consecutive days. Once you receive either of these tokens, you must wait for a period of 30 days from your darshan date before you can obtain either one of them again. Trekking via Srivari Mettu does not require darshan tickets or tokens. However, if required, you may obtain either an SSD or Divya Darshan token. Tokens or tickets are only necessary if required for darshan. Otherwise, you are free to trek without them. Devotees planning for infant darshan, NRI darshan, tokenless direct server darshan or to purchase VIP break darshan tickets in offline may also trek via Srivari Mettu. Upon reaching Tirumala, a luggage collection center is located approximately 100 meters to the right. The reporting point for both SSD and Divya Darshan token holders is the ATGH Circle, Alwar Tank Guest House Circle, situated on the main road directly opposite the Srivari Mettu Footpath. If you have booked a room online and need to scan your room receipt at the CRO office, or if you wish to book your room offline or access free dormitory halls and lockers, you may take a free bus from the Srivari Mettu main road to the CRO office. Luggage and mobile deposit counters are available in all darshan queue complex. You may carry your luggage, mobile phones and smartwatches in the queue and deposit it in the deposit counters, as these items are not permitted inside the temple during darshan. At the deposit counter, your photograph will be taken and a deposit slip will be issued. After completing your darshan, you can collect your belongings from PAC4, which is located behind the Bedi Anjaneya Swami temple, directly opposite the main temple. Clear signboards are placed around the temple premises to guide you to the collection center. After joining the ATGH queue, your token is scanned and you are seated in compartments. Based on wait times, TTD provides milk, breakfast or annaprasadam. Restrooms and drinking water facilities are also available nearby the compartments. Darshan duration typically ranges from 1 to 2.5 hours for early morning slots and from 3 to 6 hours for afternoon to night slots. Timings vary based on the daily crowd at Tirumala. If you wish to offer Tulabaram, proceed to the Tulabaram Mandapam after entering the temple. It is located to the left of the Dvajastambam. Detach from the main queue near the Dvajastambam to offer Tulabaram and rejoin the queue near the same spot afterward for Lord Venkateswara Darshan. Inside the Bangaru Vakili, you will be able to witness the majestic darshan of Lord Venkateswara near the Dwarapalakas Jaya and Vijaya. After completing darshan, proceed to the laddu counter and submit your darshan token slip and receive one free laddu worth 50 rupees. Additional laddus can be purchased for 50 rupees for a regular sized laddu and for 200 rupees for a big sized laddu. Divya Darshan tokens will be issued daily at Srivari Mettu from 6 am. From Monday to Thursday and on Sundays, a total of 3000 Divya Darshan tokens will be issued for same day darshan slots. On Fridays and Saturdays, approximately 5000 Divya Darshan tokens will be issued, which include both same day darshan slots and early morning slots for the following day. You may check the availability of Divya Darshan tokens at Srivari Mettu through the Andhra Pradesh government WhatsApp service. By now, you should have gained a complete and detailed understanding of the Srivari Mettu Footpath, including transportation, token procedures, facilities and darshan protocols. With this information, you can now confidently undertake the sacred journey through Srivari Mettu on your own, making your pilgrimage to Tirumala smooth and spiritually fulfilling. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Tirumala Tirupati Info by KHM channel for more valuable updates and complete temple guidance. Thank you for watching and see you again in another informative video.